Today we will discuss everything related to mole concept. Before taking into consideration this concept, first you should know what is mole. We have learned 7 basic physical quantities in which one of the physical quantity is amount of substance whose SI unit is mole. So what is mole? Mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles. Whenever we are talking about particles in chemistry, it means either atoms, ions, or molecules. As there are atoms in exactly equal to 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. I have tell you the reason why carbon-12, you know, because of its abundance, its intermediate reactivity, and its less other isotopes in nature. So, what is 1 mole? It is the amount of substance that contains particle equal to the particles present in exactly 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. Now, how much entity is present in this 1 mole? We will calculate it. Mass of one atom of carbon-12 is 1.99 into 10 raised to the power minus 23 gram. And 1 mole of carbon is equal to 12 gram per mole. 12 gram per mole divided by mass of one atom of carbon gives value equals to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole, and this value is known as Avogadro's number or constant and represented by Na, which contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per molecules. Fine. 0.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms per mole. Now, we will take one example of carbon atom. In one carbon atom, whose atomic number is 6. Fine, the atomic number of carbon atom is 6. It contains 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons. Suppose I will say, calculate the mass of one atom of carbon atom. What you will do? 6 into multiply the mass of proton. Mass of proton is equals to 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 gram. And mass of neutron is little bit higher than this, but we generally take it as 1.67 into minus 24 gram. Or mass of electron is 9.11 into 10 raised to power minus 31 kg or minus 28 gram. If you see, the mass of electron is very small as comparison to the mass of proton and neutron. So generally the mass of any atom is due to the presence of proton and neutron in it. Fine. So if I will say calculate the mass of carbon atom, you will do 6 into 6 plus 6 because mass of proton and neutron are same is equal to 12 into what? 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24. And my dear student, this value is also equals to AMU, atomic mass unit. So I can write it is equal to 12 AMU. It is equal to the mass of one carbon atom is equal to 12 AMU or 12 into 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24. Now, if I will ask, what is the value of 1 AMU? 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12 of mass of carbon 12 atom. Fine, because we have taken those atoms whose mass number is 12. So it is equal to 1 AMU. Fine, 1 AMU is equal to 1 by 12th of mass of carbon 12 atom. Now, if I will ask, what is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom? See, if I will ask, what is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atom? My dear students, 1 mole of carbon atoms contains how many carbon atoms? 1 mole. Mole means it will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms. And you know, mass of 1 carbon atom is 12 AMU. 12 AMU means 12 into 1.67 into 10 raised to power minus 24 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. When you solve this term, multiply this by this nearly comes out to be 10. So it will be 10 raised to power 24 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 24. This all term will cancel out and it will comes out to be 12 gram per mole. If you see, the atomic mass of 1 carbon atom is 12 AMU. And for 1 mole of carbon atom, it is 12 gram per mole. This is very small. It is for 1 mole of carbon atom. This is 12 gram per mole, also known as gram atomic mass or molar mass. Actually, it is 12.011 gram per mole, but we generally take it as 12 gram per mole. My dear student, this is the very, very, very easiest method which I will be going to discuss in this whole lecture. It is the easiest way of mole concept. Very easiest way to learn mole concept. See, if I will ask, find the number of oxygen atoms. Solve with me, write this question with me and solve it on your notebooks. Find the number of moles of oxygen atom. Find the number of moles of oxygen atom present in 64 gram. 64 gram of oxygen. You have to calculate the number of moles. You know the atomic mass of, molar mass of oxygen atom is 16 gram. So 16 gram means 1 mole of oxygen atom, because it is its molar mass. Now in question, calculate the molar mass of 64 gram. How you will calculate? 64 by 16 and answer will be 4 moles. From here we can deduce one formula, that is number of moles can be represented by N is equal to what? Given mass, which is 64 in this particular question, over molar mass. Like molar mass of oxygen atom is 16. Molar mass of hydrogen atom is 1.008. Molar mass for carbon is 12. So first for calculation of number of moles is N is equal to given mass over molar mass. You know this formula because in class 9 this same topic is there. Fine. It is a simple question. Calculate the number, find the number of moles of oxygen atom present in 64 gram of oxygen. Given mass is 64 and molar mass is 16. So 16 divided by 64, that comes out to be 4. Do not forget to write the units. It is of half marks out of 1 and this number is of half mark. So do not cut your half marks. Students generally forget to write the units. Fine. Now, next, suppose write one form. Now, please note if just a minute. If we are taking 1 mole of any ideal gas, for gases we are taking into consideration the volume. So 1 mole of any ideal gas at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure, which means temperature is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. But for calculation, we drop this part. We take exact 273 Kelvin and pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Fine. If we are having any condition of this, 1 mole of any ideal gas, either it is hydrogen gas, carbon dioxide, or any ideal gas at standard temperature of pressure occupies 22.4 liter volume. I repeat, 1 mole of any ideal gas at standard temperature and pressure. Standard temperature is 273 Kelvin, pressure is 1 atmosphere or 760 mm of HD mercury. Fine, it occupies 22.4 liter of volume or 22.4 cubic decimeter of volume or 22400 cubic centimeter of volume or 22400 ml volume. 1 mole of any ideal gas, and this volume is known as what? Molar volume. Like in case of previous question, we are taking molar mass. In case of any gas, we will be taken into consideration molar volume. For example, if I will ask, find the volume occupied by 3 moles of CO2 at standard temperature pressure. So what will be the answer? 1 mole occupies 22.4 liter. So 3 will occupy 3 into 22.4. Because if the condition is standard temperature and pressure, any gas will occupy this much amount of volume. Fine. Now, I am telling you the conclusion of this topic. Please remember, 1 mole of any atom it is, hydrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, any atom contains Avogadro's number of atoms is equal to gram atomic mass. First relation. In numericals, by using these formulas, you have to solve the questions based on mole concept. 1 mole of any atoms contains Avogadro's numbers of atom. For example, if I will ask how many number of atoms are present in 1 mole of hydrogen atom? Your answer will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Fine, is equal to its gram atomic mass, that is 1.008 gram. Or second, 1 mole of any molecule contains Avogadro's number of molecules is equal to gram molecular mass. For example, if I will ask how many number of molecules are present in 1 mole of oxygen molecule. If I will ask how many number of molecules are present in 1 mole of oxygen molecule, your answer will be 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules is equal to its gram molecular weight, that is 32 gram per mole, because for 1 oxygen atom it is 16. For 2 it will be 16 into 2, that comes out to be 32 gram. Now, if I will ask how many atoms are present in 1 mole of oxygen molecule. Now please write, message me what is the answer. Message me fast. How many atoms are present in 1 mole of oxygen molecule? Answer me fast. Message me. In 1 molecule of oxygen atom, how many oxygen atom are present? 2. And so in 1 mole, it will be 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Fine. It will be 12.044 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Fine, is it? So please remember, 1 mole of any atom or 1 mole of any molecule contains Avogadro's number of molecules or Avogadro's numbers of atoms is equal to their gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass. Or if I am taking ions, so 1 mole of any ionic compound, suppose I am taking NaCl, and I will ask how many ions are present in it. So you will say 1 mole of any ionic compounds, it is equal to their formula unit mass is equal to how much ions? That is again equal to Na number of ions. Fine, or ionic species I should say. Fine, if I will ask how many NaCl atoms are present, ions are present in 1 mole of NaCl, you will ask, say 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 sodium and chloride ions, which is equal to 58.5 gram per mole, because its gram formula unit mass is 58.5. 23 is for sodium and 35.5 is for chlorine. Now take one question based on this topic. Find, first question is, you have to find everything in find. You have 98 gram of H2SO4. First part is number of moles of H2SO4. Moles of H2SO4. Take out your notebooks and calculate it. In 98 gram of H2SO4, you have to calculate number of moles of H2SO4 Second is moles of hydrogen atom. And third is gram atomic mass of hydrogen. See, the atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 gram, sulfur is 32 gram, and oxygen is 16 gram. First calculate its molar mass. 2 into 1 plus 32 into 16 into 4, that comes out to be 98 gram per mole. So first you have to calculate the moles of H2SO4. Message me. First solve it and message me. I will see who will send me first. Moles of H2SO4. How you will calculate? Number of moles is equal to given mass over molar mass. What is given mass? It is 98. What is molar mass? It is again 98. So answer will be 1 mole. Second question, moles of hydrogen atom. In this molecule, if you will see how many hydrogen moles are present, it will be 2 moles. And you have to calculate moles, it comes out to be 2 moles. And in 2 moles, how many atoms? 2 into 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 atoms. Next, students are definitely getting confused with this. Gram atoms means you have to calculate the moles. Gram atoms means you have to calculate the moles. It will be how much in this H2SO4? It will be same, 2. Fine? Is it clear to you all? I will check who has sent me the answer. Percentage composition. It means percentage means 100. Composition means constituent atoms of a particular molecule, which means it represents the parts of a particular element in 100 parts of molecules. It represents the part of an element in 100 because it is percentage. In 100 part of compound or molecule. It represents the part of an element present in 100 part of compound or molecule. For example, I am taking H2O, water, simplest example. If I will ask, calculate the percentage composition of each element in it. So how we will calculate? First, see the formula for this. What is this? Percentage, mass percentage of a particular element. Mass percentage of the element is equal to mass of the element, mass of that element in the compound over molar mass of the compound into 100 because we have to calculate the percentage. So first calculate the molar mass. For hydrogen, it is 1.008, but we will take 1 into 2 plus 16. That comes out to be 18 mu. So if I will calculate this percentage for hydrogen, it comes out to be 2 over 18 into 100. And for oxygen, it comes out to be how much? Oxygen is 16 over 18 into 100. Solve it and tell me the percentage. First, Solve it and tell me the percentage. It comes out to be 8 by 800 over 9. It comes out to be nearly 2 by 18 into 100. It nearly comes out to be 11.18%. And it comes out to be around 88 point out of 18. It will be 7. Fine. It is a simple method how to calculate the percentage composition, which means how much part of an element present in 100 part of a compound or molecule. For example, I have to calculate the percentage, mass percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule. You will see the mass of that first component over molar mass into 100 and mass of second component over molar mass into 100. This is all about your today's lecture.